Tim Ferriss didn't just write a book, he wrote a rebellion. This isn't a productivity book, it's a declaration of war against the 9-to-5 life. Here's what it's really about, without the hype, short and concise to digest. 1. Stop chasing the deferred life plan. Most people live on autopilot. Go to school, get the job, grind for decades, then maybe retire and enjoy life. Ferriss calls this out for what it is, a broken model. He offers a new one. The new rich don't wait for freedom. They take it now, by valuing time, mobility, and autonomy over titles and paychecks. This isn't about being a millionaire. It's about living like one without the price tag. 2. Deal, the framework to escape the grind. Forget long-term goals. This is the step-by-step system Ferriss used to go from burnout to full freedom. Here's how it works. Decachas, define. What does your ideal life look like? What are your real fears? What's the cost of staying stuck? This stage flips conventional wisdom. He introduces concepts like relative income. It's not what you earn, but how long it takes to earn it. Eustress versus distress. Chase the kind of stress that pushes you to grow, not the kind that drains you. Eliminate time management is dead. Use the 80-20 rule. Cut the 80% of tasks that give you nothing. Apply Parkinson's law. Give yourself less time to work and you'll get more done. Also, kill distractions. Batch everything. Say no a lot more. Automate, outsource anything that isn't worth your time. Use VAs, automations, and low-cost talent globally. Geo-arbitrage. Build a muse, a small, scalable, low-maintenance business. Ferriss did this with Brain Quicken and then turned himself into a ghost in the machine. The business ran. He didn't. Liberate. This is the end game, time and location freedom. Negotiate remote work or quit once your muse pays your bills. Take mini retirements instead of waiting for one big someday. Redesign your life around excitement, not expectations. 3. The core ideas that still hit hard. Being busy is not being productive. Most people use busy as an excuse to avoid the stuff that actually matters. Fear setting, goal setting. Instead of dreaming, write down what you're afraid of. Break it down. It's usually not that scary. Lifestyle design is real. You don't need permission. You need a plan and the guts to follow through. The world is negotiable. Most rules aren't real. Challenge them.